Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in the Clock app because bedtime reminders are controlled there. Open Clock and tap the Sleep or Bedtime tab. Once done, glance at the schedule shown. You need that screen to change reminders. If the tab isn't visible, make sure your iPad is updated. Layout differs across iOS versions. Now tap Go to Bed or Full Schedule. That first move exposes options to turn off reminders and to edit the sleep schedule directly. You now edit the active schedule. Tap Edit or Options to see reminder settings. Once shown, toggle off the bedtime reminder switch. This stops the pre-bed notification. Make sure you also review wake-up alarm and turn it off if unwanted. They are independent. After changing switches, tap Done or Save to commit settings. If you use Focus or Do Not Disturb automations, make sure they aren't recreating notifications. Disable any automation tied to sleep if necessary. You finish by confirming the reminder is gone. Check the clock schedule and watch for the absence of the bedtime alert. If the reminder persists, restart your iPad to clear temporary state. This often resolves lingering notifications. Make sure Do Not Disturb or a focus schedule isn't reinstating sleep reminders. If nothing works, open Health Sleep and reset the sleep schedule as a last resort. That will remove any linked automations and let you rebuild the schedule cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.